Do you really have to go to bed, Ashley? Yeah. I have no life. I'm waiting for my husband so we can get a place in the country and I can pay back those wolves. It's the easiest thing in the world. All I have to do is get a replacement body for Teal. That's it? If I don't, I will die. I cannot do this without my husband's help. I only have $800 a month. I don't have money for hobbies either. So you're just gonna go to sleep? It's too cold outside. What do you want from me? I don't want to be here without my husband. I'm going to die anyway. It doesn't even matter anymore. Please don't tell me this. Please don't fucking tell me this. I did not do this to you. Bring my husband here. James had a job and Ashley helped pay the bills with her food stamps. That's all it took to raise those animals. I can't do it alone. And my husband said he would kill me if I cheated on him. I do not want to die. Fuck. You're LAFFY? Apparently LAFFY is in my butt. When I screw myself, it pushes on him? Yes. LAFFY Aryan brother Slipknot is connected to Ashley's sex? Yes. Why aren't they married? I don't know. Put it on fucking line. I'm going to bring LAFFY here. I'm going to bring the Aryan brother here. Yes, that's Detective Jager. Brad Jager. We're getting Aryan brother LAFFY here.